2025 Aprilia RX 125 is a lightweight dual sport machine built with one mission: to give new riders a true taste of adventure and off-road freedom. At its heart is a 124cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, Euro 5 Plus compliant, delivering around 15 horsepower, the legal maximum for A1 license holders in Europe. Smooth, responsive, and designed for both city commuting and trail riding, this motor offers just enough punch to keep things exciting without being overwhelming. Fuel efficiency is also a strong point, making it ideal for everyday use. Aprilia has equipped the RX 125 with a high-strength steel perimeter frame, giving the bike a stable and confident feel both on-road and off. Long travel suspension includes a 41mm upside-down front fork with 240mm of travel, and a rear monoshock offering 210mm, ensuring the RX can handle jumps, ruts, and uneven terrain with ease. Ground clearance is generous at over 300mm, giving the bike a proper off-road stance. Braking is handled by a 300mm front disc with a 2-piston caliper and a 220mm rear disc, backed by switchable ABS from Bosch. On the road, this offers safety and stability. Off-road, riders can disengage the rear ABS for more control on loose surfaces. Styling is unmistakably Aprilia, sharp, aggressive, and inspired by the brand's rally machines. The slim bodywork, Enduro-style seat, and spoked wheels, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, all scream off-road pedigree. For 2025, Aprilia offers new graphics with bold racing colors that underline its competition DNA. The ergonomics are designed to suit taller riders and off-road positions, with a flat seat, high handlebars, and wide foot pegs, making long days in the saddle surprisingly comfortable. On the technology side, the RX 125 keeps things simple and rider-focused. A modern digital LCD dash provides essential information like speed, gear indicator, fuel level, and trip computer. And when it comes to price, the 2025 Aprilia RX 125 sits at around €5,000 in Europe, or roughly $5,500 in the US equivalent. That makes it one of the most premium 125cc off-road-oriented bikes in its class, but also one of the most capable. In short, the RX 125 isn't just a learner bike, it's a genuine Aprilia, with true enduro spirit packed into a lightweight, beginner-friendly package. For young riders or anyone looking to explore trails with style, the RX 125 remains one of the most exciting entry-level machines in 2025.